Hello there and welcome to the series of Advanced GRE English Vocabulary for Sure Success in CSS, PMS, PCS, UPSC and other competitive exam. In this series, I will cover 3500 GRE vocabulary. The medium of this lecture is English, but the Urdu meaning is also given for those who are at ease in the learning of English vocabulary in Urdu. And more additionally, the benefit is that you can get free PDF of this lecture in the description. You can click the description link in the description and get free PDF of this lecture. So let's get started. The first word is axiom. Axiom is a noun. The meaning is a rule or principle that most people believe to be true. The example is the old axiom that you can only succeed through hard work. Second word is azure. Azure is an adjective. The meaning is bright blue in color like the sky. The example is the sun shone out of a clear azure sky. Third word in the row is babble. Babble is a verb. The meaning is to talk quickly in a way that is difficult to understand. The synonym is greed or means you are taking something so greedily. Example is I realized I was babbling like an idiot. Next word is bacchanalian. Bacchanalian is an adjective. It is related to a party that is wild and involving large amount of alcohol. The example is or the phrase is a bacchanalian orgy or orgy. Fifth word in the row is badger. Badger is a verb. Meaning is to put pressure on somebody by repeatedly asking them questions or asking them to do something. Means you are putting pressure to somebody to do something, whether it is a wrong or right thing, but somebody is putting continuous pressure on somebody for making this thing done. Synonym is pester. The example is reporters constantly badger her about her private life. Means the reporter were asking again and again about her private life, or they were putting questions about her private life or private relationships. Sixth word in the row is badinage. इसको badinage भी पढ़ते हैं. It is a noun. It is friendly joking between people. Means you are making fun or you look friendly with people, so you are badinage. The synonym is banter. Meaning is he enjoyed exchanging badinage with the customers. Means he is very friendly and joking with the customers. Next word is baffle. Baffle is a verb. The meaning is to confuse somebody completely, to be too difficult or strange for somebody to understand or explain. Means the thing or a person is not very easy to understand. It is difficult or complicated situation or a person. Example is his behavior baffles me. Means his behavior confuses me, or his behavior means it's difficult to understand. Eighth word in the row is bat. Bat is a verb. The meaning is to deliberately try to make somebody angry by making cruel or insulting remarks. When you are lashing out at somebody with insulting remarks or cruel remarks, it is called bat. Example is the soldiers remained calm even though the crowd was batting them. Second last word is baleful. Baleful is an adjective. The meaning is threatening to do something evil or to hurt somebody. Example is a baleful look or a baleful influence. Last but not the least is bulk. It has two spelling. The first spelling is BAULK. The second is BALK. Both spellings are correct. You can use any spelling. The meaning is To be unwilling to do something or become involved in something because it is difficult means uh, you avoid doing difficult things. The example is he bulked for a moment. I cannot afford it. He finally admitted. So thank you. This was the vocabulary of the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Those who are listening me on social media platforms, please visit CSS Access YouTube channel for more videos and for more updates.